everybody has asked me. And my standard response has been, it is whatever you want it to be. For many people, it's for your imagination. For some people, it's for your inspiration. When I generally refer to it, I refer to it as for young India. So it depends on what you make out of it, but that's the beauty about this name. Almost every person has used this word at some point of time or the other. So that's a FYI for you.
And with the logo unveiled today, the next big question is, what's going to be your launch strategy?
So the launch strategy is exactly, aiming in what I earlier said, that there's a gap in the market which is relatively mass. And I'm using the word relatively mass carefully because we are not essentially aiming at literally the bottom of the pyramid with this, but the middle of the pyramid and the top end of the pyramid with this thing. So the communication will be mass. You will see our brand films and our show promos go on even mass entertainment channels like Colors. You will see some others, quite a few media mix on terms of television. You will see a lot of activity happening on digital, billboards, all the regular stuff, right? So you will see a fair amount of presence across all of these things.
And my next question is addressed to Mr. Bhagat. From the prism of changing dynamics of the youth, do you think the channel is a good fit?
Yeah, I think so. I'm always apprehensive that already so much content is there, especially on the internet. They're not just competing today with other TV channels, but internet. But like I said, the so-called wrong. I think they do, and I think so. They were very clear from the beginning. This Real Two States Couple is a Hindi show. Yeah, it's a little bit. थोड़ा बहुत उसमें words हैं English के, but I've been recording it purely Hindi. इनका show भी हिंदी में है. So I think that aspect, but it's still real. It's still interesting. It still makes you think a little bit. It's not just saas bahut drama happening. It's real couples. It's real issues, apprehensions coming in. So that way, I feel they are on to something. I feel there is an audience out there which is hungry for this kind of content, and it's not there. So hopefully they'll get it.
All right. So looking forward to.
Also see, yes. If you see, none of the content that we have is coming from a preachy perspective. It's completely at your eye level. It's a conversation, right? So when he's talking, he's not prescribing anybody whether them is what she should do or what he should do, Chintu should do. It's all conversation, and it's something that all of us identify with.
Very real.
Like for example, I myself am a two-state couple. To put,
this is very interesting.
So all of these situations are something that one has gone through. Right?
Absolutely.
And similarly, my mom and my wife, and they have, and I'm a Kashmiri, so the food is Kashmiri. And they've got to learn, my wife has got to pick it up. She's a Gujarati, so she's got to pick it up, what she needs to do there. And it's always a mental, competition of sorts on, did she make it better than my mom or vice versa. So it's all relatable. It brings a nice smile to your face when you see that thing, oh, it's happened to me before.
So she make it better than your mom?
I'm not going to say it here.
Show you better.
We'll get you on Rivals in your season 2. Season 2.
So it's going to be clash between the Kawas and the Khandvis.
Absolutely.
That at the end of the day, okay, the mother has her skill set and her experience and all that, and but okay, fine, she's going to be better. But you'll see along as the show goes that at the end of the day, it's the skill set and how you've cooked that dish that particular day.
And the same plating and with
the same. They made the same dishes, exactly the same, and when I could see who's cooking better or not. So it said a lot to me that what. So what if she's your mother? And she's been cooking along. It doesn't mean that she's always going to be the better cook. So I think that the proof is in the pudding, and sometimes the mother one, a lot of times the daughter-in-law one. So it was fun.
And on the area I saw, some of the celebs saying, please tell me what dish my mom's cooked, because in either case you're caught between.
Because I completely changed the look of their food.
Your book is in it. And that it's not just because it's my book, but it just seemed like the most apt name. I think two states has now become a term used in India because India has so many states and there's so many love stories happening. So a lot of times people have come up to me and said, "Arey, we are also a two states couple." And I am also a real two states couple. My wife is here actually today.
That's right.
But so I think when the team came up to me, they said this is a new channel and they're really looking to create content which is a